Is your Jeep Wrangler key fob not working reliably? The battery is likely the culprit. This section covers replacing the CR2032 battery in 2019-2023 Jeep Wrangler key fobs. You'll need a CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. First, locate the seam on the fob. Gently pry it open. Remove the old battery, noting the positive plus side is usually facing up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side up. Snap the fob back together, ensuring it's securely closed. Test the fob to confirm it's working. For the best results when replacing your Jeep Wrangler key fob battery, use a high-quality brand name CR2032 battery from manufacturers like Panasonic, Sony, Energizer, or Duracell. These batteries last longer and are less likely to leak corrosive material that could damage your fob. If your key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, troubleshoot by checking for water damage or a blown fuse. The internal components can be sensitive, as shown in this image. If issues persist, take it to a mechanic. Also, always recycle the old battery properly to reduce environmental impact. Looking ahead, key fobs are evolving. Future trends include integration with smartphones using NFC or Bluetooth technology, which could eliminate the need for physical batteries altogether. Stellantis, Jeep's parent company, is exploring wireless battery-free fobs for upcoming models, driven by sustainability goals and reduced electronic waste. Finally, performing the replacement yourself saves significant money compared to dealer service, roughly $5 to $10 for a DIY battery versus $30 to $50 at the dealership.